Hi guys, welcome. You are watching recipes you like. In this video we are making potato chips in just 8 minutes in microwave oven, and the best part is that use any kind of a potato, still you get crispy chips. So let's begin. Here we have taken 3 potatoes, aloo. Take any number of potatoes depending upon how many chips you want to make. If you have new aloo, nay aloo, that's super. But if you don't have them, it's okay. You can make these chips with any kind of potato. After peeling off the skin, we will slice them as thin as possible in a bowl of water so that the aloo slices don't get black. And we have finished slicing all 3 of them. After this, it's very important to rinse these potato slices 2 to 3 times so that we are able to take out as much starch from potatoes as possible. It's very simple that the more starch we take out from our potato slices, more crispier our potato chips will be. Now as we have done this exercise 3 times, let's move on. We have taken here a bowl of ice. In this, let's add a little bit of water, and then we will add in a teaspoon of salt to this. Drop sliced potatoes. We'll keep these slices in this chilled salted water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Give it a stir to mix in the salt. This process will further help in to take out the extra starch from these potato chips. After 10 to 15 minutes, throw away the water, rinse the potato slices again with plain normal water, and then strain it out, spreading them over a clean cotton cloth. We will pat dry them. This will just help to absorb the extra moisture from the slices. After this, collect and keep them in a bowl. Next, we will take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In this, add about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this up. Keep this aside for a while. We will now grease our baking tray with a little bit of oil. Don't use the one in which we have mixed salt. Use a plain oil to grease your tray. After greasing it, line your tray with the parchment paper. We will brush the paper again with little bit of oil, this time the salted oil. Place the sliced potatoes over it. Arrange the slices in such a way that they avoid touching each other. As to avoid potato slices getting clumped up while baking, brush them with salted oil. My microwave high power starts from 900 watts, so it takes me about 8 minutes to bake one batch of these potato chips. Depending on your microwave, it might take more or less time for you. After baking, you can sprinkle them with any kind of a seasoning of your choice, like garlic, mint, chili or onion powder. Here we have used just half a teaspoon of tomato powder and half a teaspoon of cheese powder. Making cheese powder at home is very simple and easy. Spread your shredded cheese in a microwave safe bowl and microwave it at high power for 1 to 2 minutes. You can see the cheese melting and boiling. After taking it out from microwave oven, you might find it still a little bit soft, but when the cheese comes down to room temperature, it eventually gets more firm. You need to scrape it a little bit to remove the cheese. You can grind it into a fine powder with a grinder or a coarse one with your hands. By the way, we used cheddar cheese here. You can even make it using processed cheese. Now you can hear the beautiful crispiness of our potato chips. Eat, store, and you can anytime enjoy them. Before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again with another interesting recipe. Bye bye.